guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing just a quick tutorial on this look here. It's just a fall-ish kind of burgundy plummy type of eye look, and it's like the perfect fall look. I love dark vampy looks like this. So before we jump into the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look here, then just keep watching. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so I already have on my brows and I already have some concealer on my eyelid for primer, because I don't even think I grabbed a primer. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this HUDA Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is the Warm Brown Obsessions. I know she came out with some new ones and they're like really cute, so I don't know if I'm going to get those yet, but I wanted to do like a burgundy plumish type of eye, so I'm going to be working with these three shades up here at the top. So I'm going to go in with this middle shade here and use that as my transitional color. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this like reddish shade here. I know it looks kind of orange on camera, but it's actually red. You're working with bold colors like this, you can actually see the harsh lines very well, so you want to make sure you blend it in very well. Then I'm going to go in with this darker like plum burgundy-ish color right here. So you can see the harsh lines, so I'm just going to take a little bit of product on a blending brush and just blend it upwards. This lighter brown here, and then I'm going to apply this to my brow bone. So for primer, I'm going to go in with the COVERGIRL True Blend primer. I absolutely love this primer. The Maybelline Superstay Multi-Stick Foundation, and this one is in the shade Toffee Caramel. Kat Von D concealer. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream, and this one is in the shade M29 Neutral. This Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to go in with this Estee Edit by Estee Lauder, the BAREST bronzer. Blush, I'm gonna go in with the City Color Be Matte blush, and this one is in the shade Guava. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with this MILANI Tantastic Face and Body Baked bronzer. Then I'm gonna blend it all together. I'm gonna go back in with that same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to actually use those same 3 colors and apply those on my lower lash line. But before I do that, I'm just gonna add a black eyeliner. This is from Lancome. I'm gonna go in with the darker one first. Then I'm gonna go in with the reddish one. Blend it all together with this the middle color. Take a little bit of my highlighting shade that I have on my face from MILANI and apply this in my inner tear duct. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some Salon Perfect 615 lashes and a little bit of mascara. This is the COVERGIRL Peacock mascara. So now for lips, I'm gonna go in with this ELLAIRE lip liner in the shade ELLAIRE from ColourPop. But for lips, I'm gonna go in with MAC's Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade High Drama. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh. Guys, and then this is the completed look here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know some looks that you guys want to see on the channel for up and coming makeup looks. Leave them in a comment below. As always, you can shop any of these products on keepyourhowa.com. I will have it linked below if you guys are interested in getting any of these products, or if you want to know the actual where you can get these products from. You can check out keepyourhowa.com. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.